The ASVAB Career Exploration Program offers an output of a participant's career exploration called My Portfolio. This tool allows students to compile their achievements and articulate action steps toward their identified goals, then share this record with counselors and parents to facilitate meaningful discussions about post-secondary planning. The following explains each section of My Portfolio and its application. To access My Portfolio, users must log in at asvabprogram.com. My Portfolio is available under Step 3. It is intended for use during career exploration. Participants should have completed Step 1 and be engaged in Step 2 before beginning the activities in Step 3. Students can identify which path they're most strongly considering in their first year after graduating high school so they can begin to set realistic goals. Young people should document work experiences along the way. It gets harder to remember what likes, dislikes, and responsibilities held at each position as time goes by, so compiling it will help them in developing their first resume. The education section gives students a place to list needed coursework relevant to career choice or notable courses already completed. ASVAB, ACT, and SAT scores are all important to consider when making post-secondary plans. Documenting the last test score of record will help students track their scores and be mindful of the scores they need to achieve for acceptance or entry into their chosen post-secondary path. Achievements such as awards, publications, clubs, and other extracurricular activities provide students with opportunities to set themselves apart from their peers. Skills are things students do well. Classes in which they get particularly good grades, for example. Similar to achievements, volunteer activities give students a chance to explore their passions, understand the importance of helping others, and give back to their communities. These experiences also provide valuable insight when making post-secondary plans. Along with skills, interests are another critical component for young people to consider when identifying potentially satisfying careers. Interests are identified when participants complete the FYI and pre-populate it here. Students can also add additional interests. Job satisfaction comes from having a job that meets your needs. Work values are your beliefs about what is important to you. Students can use this area to list the work values most important to them. As students navigate the OccuFind and discover careers and institutions they are interested in, they can use the heart icon to mark favorites. The occupation or institution is then automatically added to My Portfolio. Adding favorite occupations helps guide planning conversations. Adding favorite colleges helps students keep key dates and financial planning top of mind. Adding favorite career clusters is helpful for coursework planning. Students can also add military careers to their favorites list in the same way while exploring careersinthemilitary.com. Adding favorite military careers helps students identify physical fitness and qualifying scores. Students are encouraged to share their portfolio with counselors, teachers, and parents. This serves as a valuable tool to guide discussions related to student plans for after high school. Students can download a PDF of My Portfolio and email it to their mentor to use as a baseline for meaningful conversation about their post-secondary plan.